Alright, some of the documents with it. Firstly, you get the design. This would be you would get the your 3D design first, like this, to give you like a real good idea of the layout. Probably just with one like this, for example, probably like one of the sides, so you can see like where the boards are laid out. Probably like one of the front, and it's pretty much all you would need on this one. Pretty basic, great for a well, this is of course a truck box, but could be used anywhere. This one right here, of course, you would get your instructions on how to assemble. Enclosure and assembly document. Basically, step by step on how to put it together. Pretty straightforward, not too complicated. Depending on your skill level and tools, just make sure that you take your time for one. Make sure you have all your material laid out nice, keep everything clean. Make sure you have the proper safety, man. Safety first, straight up. I'm not joking around when I say that. Wear your safety glasses every single time you go to pick up a tool. Make sure you have all your tools, all the proper tools needed, that you're comfortable with. Practice on some wood on the side, you know what I mean? Just if you're just buying a design you want to put together yourself. I would also include pre-cut boards if you want. I could just like mail it to you out like that, just pre-cut, pre-drilled, and you just assemble it. Some people like assembling, some like it already assembled, some like doing, you know, their own customizing. Just let me know whatever you want. And then of course, so you got your instructions, you would have your 3D design, and I give you your the harmonic of it. So for example, right here I'd test it before it's sent out, make sure it sounds good. So for example, let me show you how to, alright, here we go. Alright, give me 1 second, man. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Give me a second. I'll come back to it in a second, dude. I'm wasting time. So anyways, this is of course the Pro Edition that I use. Just giving you an idea. All your 3D drawings, everything's spec'd out, precise as you can be. I actually use, depending on the subs and the enclosure design, I might use both of them combined to come up with the best option. But you can see your harmonic layout. I mean, I can, you know, enter power, find everything 0 to 3 dB, dampening, your vents. The best part, one of the best parts about it is this right here, is your parts list. Basically the layout of each board, and it tells you exact length, exact angle of each individual board. So it really helps out a lot. This one, for example, is the RE Audio 18s. It has everything, man. Your electrical layout, how to wire the voice coils. It's great. Yeah, give me a second. I'll hold on a sec. Alright, give me a second. I don't know what the hell just happened, dude. But anyways, I'll come back to it. Again, check out the website again, Southern Sounds, 2z's.webs.com. Really good company, man. You know, I enjoy it. This is actually WinISD. It's what we were taught in school. The program we were taught in school. I think I have my sub off. Is actually the reason why I wasn't playing. But basically, what I do is I just take the info that I get from here usually, or vice versa, put it on here, and bring it over. And this right here allows me to hear the sub. I mean, I think I'm testing it on all of them on a 10 sealed enclosure, so it's not too far off. I mean, if I'm tuning at 18, of course it's not, you know, or even some of the 12s and 15s. The actual sound that's produced here isn't going to be exactly the sound that's produced, but what it does is it just allows me to hear if there's any imperfections basically in the signal, the wave of how the port or the enclosure reacts altogether. So WinISD is good, man. Check it out. You can actually download it for free. You have to have some of the I don't know, there was something that you had to have. I can't remember what it was. Some type of like it's good for all Windows, Mac, Linux, pretty much everyone. So yeah, WinISD is good. It's got, you know, calculators on it. It's good. I like it for free. You know the guys over there. I mean, I give them a lot of credit. They give you one of the good things about this is it actually asks you like optimum is what they call it, optimum values. I'm sure as it is. You know what basically they suggest. So which is cool. As with Bassbox Pro, for example, I mean, it's unlimited pretty much. With drivers, I think you can go up to like 100. You know, it's got suggestions on here, which is really cool. It's got the design wizard, which is really cool. I know it's been out forever, man, but they give updates all the time on their database of drivers, parameters, and so forth, which is here. Of course, your wiring options, which I like. You can take the expert mode on and off. You can manually enter. A lot of this everyone knows, man. I always keep this on predicted. You know, just some sketches, all the stuff you can change up. It's really good. I think it's one of the best, if not the best. I think that pretty much covers it, man. I don't have the website actually published yet, but it probably will be by the time this video's up. So we'll go to trying to think, is there anything I missed? Yeah, there's actually a bunch of other ones, but that's all I'm gonna show, man. Just gives you an idea, a general idea of, you know, some of my style pretty much. I think every designer installer has their own style. Mine is, of course, precise, clean cut, symmetrical. Not really so much flashy, but flush, man. Or plush, I should say. Just real matching. I mean, I try to go with the actual, you know, where it's going. If it's going in a room, I try to stay within the room. You know, make sure that it matches pretty much. All right, I'll make some other videos, man. I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you very much for watching, and check out that website again, Southern Sounds, 2z's.webs.com.